Is TCL Roku TV compatible with Alexa? Yes, TCL Roku TV is compatible with Alexa. By integrating Alexa with your TCL Roku TV, you can use voice commands to control various TV functions, such as adjusting the volume, changing channels, launching apps, and even searching for content. This integration allows for a hands-free, convenient viewing experience by simply using your voice through an Alexa-enabled device like an Amazon Echo. 1. Setting up Alexa with TCL Roku TV. To use Alexa with your TCL Roku TV, you must link your Roku account with the Alexa app. You can do this by enabling the Roku skill in the Alexa app and following the prompts to connect your Roku account. Once paired, you can control your TV through voice commands via your Alexa-enabled device. 2. Voice commands with Alexa. Once connected, you can use Alexa to issue commands like, Alexa, turn on the TV. Alexa, change the channel to Netflix. Alexa, adjust the volume. Alexa, search for action movies. These voice commands allow for a more hands-free and interactive TV experience. 3. Alexa features for TCL Roku TV. With Alexa, you can use commands to control power, turn the TV on or off, search for content, e.g., Alexa, play The Crown on Netflix, adjust volume, e.g., Alexa, turn up the volume, launch apps, e.g., Alexa, open YouTube, control playback, e.g., Alexa, pause the movie. 4. How to connect Alexa to TCL Roku TV. Step 1. Install the Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet. Step 2. Open the Alexa app and go to Settings, then TV, and Video, then Roku. Step 3. Enable the Roku skill and sign in with your Roku account to link it with Alexa. Step 4. Once connected, you can start using Alexa to control your TCL Roku TV. 5. Should you choose a TCL Roku TV for Alexa integration? If you already use Alexa-enabled devices and want the convenience of voice control for your TV, TCL Roku TV's compatibility with Alexa is a great feature. It enhances the user experience by allowing you to interact with your TV using voice commands, making it easier to control without needing the remote. TCL Roku TV is indeed compatible with Alexa, allowing you to control the TV and access content through voice commands. If you use Alexa devices at home, this integration can significantly enhance your entertainment experience, providing hands-free control over your TV.